My name is Tim Heath with Professional Cleaning Supply, Oklahoma's detail supply company. So working with Nasiol over the past several years, we found out that the integrity behind Nasiol has been great. They really want to help us as a distributor to give the products that we need to help our customers. Whether, with some signs for their detail shops, whether it's technical support, finding out what needs to go where. And we've only scratched the surface on what Nasiol has to offer for our clients. We're looking forward to a great relationship in the future with Nasiol as they grow. It's going to help us grow as well. So we come to the show here at SEMA today with Nasiol. They invited me here to help them with their Nasiol products and their brand. I'm really privileged to be here today with them. It means a lot for us to be able to be part of Nasiol. The booth has been great, the show has been great, we've had a lot of interest, we've made some great connections locally as well as around the world, and we're looking to further those relationships even more through the years to come. Some of the demos that we're doing today, people don't realize really what it takes to do paint correction if they've never done paint correction. So through our Nasiol 105, 305, 505, and 705, we're actually able to show them the results that they can get from their vehicles. So we went out and bought some hoods from a salvage, terrible shape. And we're able to bring those back to like new or better condition and then apply a Nasiol coating on them, giving them a very hydrophobic, very shiny, and so smooth. It's until you touch a Nasiol coated surface, you don't really understand how smooth can be. And the customers are just blown away about how nice this can look when they see the before and after pictures.